Hey guys, real estate right here. Today we're talking home loans. Okay guys, so today we're talking FHA, conventional, and VA loans. So the FHA loan is what's called a Federal Housing Administration loan. It's backed by the federal government, so lenders have less risk. What that means is the lenders make it easier, a little easier for you to qualify. They'll require a 580 or higher FICO score. They require that it is owner occupied. They require that it is up to a certain loan limit based on the area. So that's very, very important for some people. Make sure that you know the FHA loan limit in your area that you're looking for. So I will cover that today, but each area, each county has different FHA loan limits as well as conventional loan limits. They also require that you have what's called private mortgage insurance. So I'll cover that in a little bit. Now, the conventional loan is designed for those who have a little higher score of 620 or above. They do only require anywhere from 3 to 20% as a down payment, depending on the loan that you're going to qualify for, the conventional loan that they have. And it also does not require private mortgage insurance as long as there's over 78% or less equity. Now, a conventional loan is not backed by the federal government, but by private mortgage insurance companies. And these private lenders do have to follow the Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae guidelines. Now, it's important, guys, to remember, mortgage lenders do not just rely on your credit score. They will take into account your whole credit history. Derogatory items such as late payments, collections, or even excessive debt can determine what you're eligible for or not, regardless of your credit score. Now, FHA and conventional loan limits will vary based on county and the number of units on the property. An FHA loan can be used on a 1 to 4 unit properties as long as the owner occupies one of the units. Any property over 4 units is considered commercial and not eligible for an FHA or conventional loan. Now let's take a look at what the loan limits are in San Bernardino County. Lenders will only give loans to borrowers who can prove they have reliable income and is sufficient enough to support the loan amount they are requesting. When it comes to employment, they're going to look for 2 years of stable employment and income from the same industry. It doesn't have to be the same employer as long as it's in the same field of industry. When it comes to self-employed individuals, they will take 2 years of income from your tax returns, average out the monthly, which will determine your loan amount. Debt to income ratio. Your debt to income ratio is the amount of income that goes towards monthly debts such as auto loans, credit cards, or even mortgage payments. For example, if you make $5,000 a month and $2,000 a month goes towards debt, your debt to income ratio is 40%. Closing costs. Closing costs are fees charged by mortgage lenders for the origination and processing of the loan. Typically, closing costs will range from 2 to 3% of the loan amount. The appraisal, origination fee, and title insurance are some of the things involved with closing costs. With conventional loans, sellers are allowed to cover a portion of the closing costs for the buyer when and if necessary. Private mortgage insurance. If you're putting down less than 20%, private mortgage insurance will be required on your loan until the loan amount reaches under 78% loan to value. All FHA loans will require you have private mortgage insurance no matter what amount of down payment you put. Last but not least, VA loans. VA loans are designed for veterans and they have no down payment or mortgage insurance requirement. Documentation eligibility is required when applying for a VA loan. Credit requirements vary by lenders, but typically start at 620. However, some lenders do go below that. So that's the FHA conventional and VA loan programs. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Reach out to me, send me a message, send me a text, send me an email, whatever might be easiest for you. I'm here to help. Look forward to being there for you. Until then, make it a great day.